Convert the following fractions into decimals without using a calculator. We've got 2/5 and 3/8. So let's have a look at that. 2/5. Now we could multiply that. That does actually go into 100 20 times. So we could multiply the top and bottom by 20. Or we could just resort to this meaning 2 divided by 5. And so 5's into 2 don't go. So what you put in is a decimal point and a 0, and then there's 2 left over. This is short division. 5's into 20 go 4 times, 0.4 with nothing left over. So the answer will be that 2/5 is equal to 0.4. So a bit more complicated. 3 divided by 8. 8 definitely doesn't go into 100, so we will have to resort to doing 3 divided by 8. So we've got 8 into 3, doesn't go. Put in a decimal point, 0 and a 3 left over. 8 into 30 go 3 times. 3/8 are 24, so we're going to be remainder 6. 8 into 60 go 7 times, remainder 4. 7/8 are 56, and then 8 into 40 does go in exactly, so we've got 5, so we can stop. There's no more to divide. Therefore, 3/8 is equal to 0.375. So this has been a video to show you how to convert a fraction to a decimal by dividing. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.